Okay, hey guys, so you want to be, today's lesson is going to be for you to be able to want to recognize the YouTube Studio quickly. So you get into your YouTube channel, put in your YouTube channel here and Google, because you want to get in the back office to edit videos, to change things up. So again, you plug in, YouTube and then your URL or the name of your channel. You find it, then you go to the picture, and then you look for, come down, and then you see Google account, switch account. No, switch accounts when you want to go from one account to the next, but we want to stay here, or you want to sign up. But no, we want to go into YouTube. That's where you can, well, I'll discuss it when I get there. Let's move this out of the way here. This shows you, in the YouTube Studio, it shows you your dashboard, okay? Shows your dashboard, shows you content, shows you analytics. Analytics is all about how your channel is doing. I'll show you in a minute. I'll show you your subtitles. We'll go over that. Copyright, earn, about how much you're making, and all the different ways. Sorry, let's enlarge this a little bit for you. All the different ways you can make money on YouTube, shopping, brands connect, all that good stuff. Then it also shows you customization. Like if you want to change the look of your banner area of your channel, not the individual videos, the channel. And then if you want to change your logo or the picture about your of your whole channel, if you want to change the handle name, that's usually the long name. Here's a handle name where you can get like a short. I always put something easy to you for you to remember, or when you tell people, or so if you go into town somewhere and you want to tell people your site, your channel name, it's easy to remember. And then description about your site, right? You can put a whole description in here, and then all your links, like your social media links, your t-shirt links. If you have other, Pinterest, your contact information, all that good stuff. Yeah. So that's where you I'll change this while we're at it. And so yeah, that's where I just changed something, so I want to go ahead and do it while I was there. So that's where I call the YouTube Studio, where you make all the changes to the back of your, in the, like what we call the back office of your YouTube, like the videos, the editing, the end screens, all that. All right, so we'll stop for today because I just wanted to show you an intro, and then I'll come back and break down each one individually. Again, if you're not on my course, but you see my channel, just go ahead and subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.